by bowing down to the traditions at hand. It's my privilege to warmly welcome all the delegates to this charter installation ceremony organized by Rotary Club of KPRKS. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. With this code, I would like to welcome Kalita and Deepa Jyoti from second BCom to perform the welcome dance.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि गगन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गगनस्नाय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मधराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीतसत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धहस्ताय भोजनप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि.
Thank you for your wonderful performance.
The pride of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination in future numbers. Next up, I request the service of Sergeant at Arms, Road Director Rakesh Viran, to escort the following dignitaries to the dais. First, the Charter Secretary of the Road Director of KPRKS, Road Director Karunya. Followed by which, the Charter President of the Road Director of KPRKS, Road Director Jagadish. Followed the District Road Director Representative, Road Director Kirti. The Secretary of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, Rotary Piyush Patwas. Following the President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, Rotary Subramanian. Following the Principal of KPR Institution, Dr. S. Paulsons. Next, Chairman of KPR Groups, Dr. K.P. Ramsden. And District Governor of Rotary Branch District 320, Rotary Rajshekar.
Next, I invite Secretary Rotarian Piyush Patwasar to adopt the caller to the Rotary President Rotarian Subramanian. now call Vivek Kumar to deliver the Rotary prayer and the forward test.
I request the dignitaries to be.
O God, creator of all things, Father of mankind, we thank thee for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary based on the high ideals of morality. We implore thee to help the Rotarians to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars of color, creed, and clay, for the removal of economic and social barriers, and for the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and the dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship, and unite around thy holy feet, and hail thee as thou really art our one true, eternal, and all loving Father. Other Rotarians, please. Of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it bring goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you, Rotarian Mohan Master. To welcome is to show honor. To welcome is to establish integrity. I would like to invite Rotary President, Rotarian Subramanian Sir, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning. Distinguished Chief Guest of Ceremony, Rotary District Governor Parthay Srinivasan, Guest of Honor Dr. K.P. Ramaswamy, Chairman KPR Group, Special Invitee Contractor P.P. Kirti Vivek, PRR, Principal Dr. Balaswamy, Rotarian Balakrishnan, Assistant Governor, Rock Director M.V. Jadavedas, President-elect Rotaract Office Bearers, fellow Rotarians, invitees, and students. As the President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, I am honored to welcome you all to be a part of the Rotary Club of KPR College of Arts and Science Charter and Installation Ceremony. Swami Vivekananda, whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day, believed that service to mankind should be selfless, as service to mankind is service to God. As per the popularly believed story, interactors of Interact Club of Secunderabad, who after separating from school formed University Service Club called Universe 1963, and this was instrumental in giving the Rotary International and World the idea of club for the youth above 18 years of age. The Rotaract movement started in 1968, has grown since then, inspiring young leaders to take action to improve their communities. The Rotaract Club provides the opportunity for professional development, continuous learning, friendship, fun and entertainment, travel opportunity, public speaking skills, and social skills. This Rotaract Club formed at KPR College of Arts and Science, one of the premier educational institutions, has a great future since it has the support of the college management and the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, one of the leading Rotary clubs in Coimbatore. On behalf of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, I wish this Rotary Club all the success. Rotary Club is a ladder to be a leader if you follow the service to the society. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The highest of distinctions is service to others. I now request District Rotaract Representative, Protractor P.P. Kirti Vivek sir, for the new member induction.
I request all the new members of this particular prestigious club, Rotaract Club of KPR College of Arts and Science, to please raise up. I believe everyone is a new member here. So, to all the new entries to this particular club, can you please raise up? So, and raise your right hand and repeat after me. Thank you. I do solemnly promise that I will sincerely serve as member of this Rotaract Club of KPR College of Arts and Science, and shall at all time uphold the ideals and principles of this organization. Welcome to the family of Rotaract District 3201. Rotaract is a land of opportunity. Make the best use of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Rotary President Rotarian Subramaniam sir to introduce the Charter President of Rotaract Club of KPR Cares.
Rotaract Jatavedas MD was born on September 19, 2000 at Kerala, brought up in Tamil Nadu. He studied in Montfort Higher Secondary School and currently doing his undergraduate program in a domain become CA at KPR College of Arts and Science and Research. He has been the president of School of Commerce for the year 2020-21. A very amenable person and has a good leadership quality. He is good at photography and also well versed in digital marketing. His aim is to be a great entrepreneur. I am very much happy to introduce the Charter President of Rotary Club of KPR CAS.
The much awaited moment of the installation ceremony is here. It's time for the Charter President to begin his tenure. I now request the Rotary President, Rotarian Subramaniam sir, to install the Charter President Rotaract Jatavedas by adorning collar and handing over the club authority through them. Thank you, sir. Once again, I'd like to request the Rotary President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central to administer the oath of the President of the Rotary Club of PHS.
Rotaract oath. Office bearers, I do solemnly swear that I will sincerely execute the office of President oath by Rotaract President of the Rotaract Club of KPR College of Arts and Science, and shall do my best to keep up the decorum of Rotaract movement by upholding the Constitution and statement of policy of our organization.
Congratulations, Rotaractor Jatavedas. Thank you, sir. Now I invite President Rotaractor Jatavedas to deliver the acceptance speech.
A warm welcome to one and all. Extend your arms in the welcome to the future. The best is yet to come. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan to the Charter Installation Ceremony. I'm glad to welcome Dr. K.P. Ramasamy, Chairman KPR Groups, to this event. I welcome the District Road Track Representative, RTR Kirti Vivek. I would like to welcome the President, Subramaniam Sir, to this event. I, Rotractor Jadavedas MP, welcome all Rotarians and Rotractors to this installation ceremony. As Embrace Humanity is a theme of ours, in this Rotract year, we are going to do community service projects based on food, education, health, and environment, which includes blood screening camps, voluntary blood donations, awareness on the food, nutrition, community service orientation programs, consumer awareness campaigns, club events like community culture event, talent competitions for the youth, developing their leadership and their personality development programs. These are challenging times, and I compliment each of your effort in grappling with the COVID-19. No challenge is too big for Rotarians and Rotractors. The bigger the challenge, the more passionate the Rotractors. First of all, I would like to thank you all my fellow Rotractors for selecting me as a lead of the club, present for this Rotract year. I'm sure that all members of the Rotract Club of KPIKS are in full alignment, hence the project of these proposed can be executed in this year. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Let us turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change the lives. By embracing humanity, I accept the Charter President of the Rotract Club, KPIKS. Thank you.
There is no tribe without a team. Again, I would like to invite President Rotractor Jadavedas MD to introduce a new team of office bearers for the Rotract year 2021 to 2022.
Dr. Karunya Karnamurthy as the club secretary for the year 2020-2022. Dr. Samyukta S as the vice president. Dr. Nivisha Devi as the joint secretary. Dr. Jagadishwar as the Rotary Foundation chair. Dr. Rakeshwar as the Sergeant Arms. Dr. Lijo as the editor. Dr. Hariharan K as the technical head. Dr. Santosh M as the director for club service. Dr. Shruti Kame as the director for community service. Dr. Logeshwar as the director for professional service. Rotary Shubhashri as the Director for International Service. Rotary Guru Prasad as the Director for Rotary Rotary Relations. Mr. M.P. Hari Prasad as the Club Advisor. Dr. Vignesham as the Club Treasurer. Dr. Danishri as the District Priority Project Chair. Dr. Past President Vishal will serve as the club mentor.
I now request Charter President Protractor Jadavedas to lead the oath of office bearers.
So I request all members to raise their hand. I do solemnly swear that I will sincerely execute the office of the Rotary Club of KPRCAS and shall do my best to keep up the decorum of Rotary movement by upholding the Constitution and statement of policy of our organization. Thank you.
If you'd like to assemble for group photo. Thank you. I now request President Rotary Subramaniam sir to hand over the club charter to the Charter Secretary of Rotary Club KPRCAS, Rotary Karunya.
I now request Honorable District Governor Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan sir to release the club logo and theme.
Friends, the newlywed Rotaractors have great pleasure releasing the theme and the logo of the Rotary Club of KPRCAS.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chairman, sir, Dr. K.P. Ramasamy, to release the club banner.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the district road track representative, road actor Keith Vivek, to release the club letterhead.
I'm privileged and honored to release the club letterhead of road track club of APRS.
The final release, I call upon Lieutenant Balakrishnan sir to release the flagship project of the road track club of KPRS.
I have the privilege of releasing the project Sustainable Future Project, a Diet with God's Beloved Children, Orphanage Visit. The main motto to help the orphanage child by providing education and food every month. The main purpose
Thank you. Next up, I would like to invite Dr. Balasamy sir, the principal of KPRS, to felicitate the guy.
Guruvedi, Guruvukku Vanakkam, Thai Nandikku Nandri. Good morning to Anandal present here, respected chairman, respected governor, respected chief guest, respected special invitee, respected president, Rotary Central, respected secretary, and all other KPRS family members, Rotary office bearers, and the Rotaract office bearers, Rotaract president, secretary, and all the members. Good morning once again for all our members. KPRS is one of the fast-growing arts and science college in Coimbatore. Central Rotary is also a vibrant Rotary in the city. Many years they are doing wonderful service to the society. We are so happy in this occasion. I would like to thank our chairman especially and our Rotary president and the governor and all our Rotary office bearers taking an initiative to inaugurate our Rotary Club in our KPR campus. It's a golden day for us because we are really happy also because each and every member at the time of taking oath and honoring the members, we take station. It's another graduation day for us. So it is a great opportunity for our budding managers and entrepreneurs also to mingle with the society with novel ideas and novel projects. In this occasion, on behalf of KPRS, I'd like to promise you all the healthy activities, whatever may be, we will execute along with the Central Rotary 3201. Thanks for coming us and inaugurating the session in an excellent manner. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and all the very best. Have a good day.
Very good, sir. Next up, I'd like to call upon Lieutenant Kumaresan sir, the district director of RIV 320, felicitate the guy.
President Rotarian Subramaniam, Chief Guest of the Day, District Governor, Rotarian Rajshakhar Srinivasan, Guest of Honor, Rotarian KP Ramasamy sir, DRR Rotaract Vivek, and my dear friends in Rotary, and all the Rotaractors, newly installed Rotaractors, and students of KPRS. A warm good morning to all. நான் வந்து டோட்டலி அன்பிரிப்பேர்டா பண்ணிருந்தேன். அவர் டீல் பேச சொல்லிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, I congratulate Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central for forming the new Rotary Club, and I also wish Rotary Club of KPRS all the best in the near future. Thank you.
We now recognize the presence of our Assistant Governor, Lieutenant E.G. Balakrishnan, sir. We recognize the presence of our District Director, Lieutenant Kumaresan, sir. Recognize the presence of our Assistant Governor and Krishna Kumar, sir.
Thank you. Now, I take this privilege to introduce the special invited to today's occasion. Kirti Vivek was born to Mr. Shanmugan and Mrs. Brinda Shanmugan on 8th of April 1992 in Chennai. Rotaract Kirti began his Rotaract journey in the Rotaract district organization in the year 2011 to 12 as the community service director of the Rotaract Club of Saibaba. In the year 2012-13, he shouldered as the club president and added more laurels to the club. And from the year 2013 to 14, he served as Evergreen Club Advisor of the Rotaract Club of Saibaba. He has worked for the Rotaract district organization, holding various portfolios such as district director, partners in service, zonal Rotaract representative, district general secretary, group Rotaract representative, and PRR elect in the year 2020-2021. His exemplary leadership in the organization commitment towards producing leaders had made him to get elected as the district Rotaract representative for the year 2020-2022. The awards he accolades are the Saptaratna President in the year 2012-13, DRR Special Recognition in the year 2014-15, 2016-17, 2018-19, and in the year 2019-20. He was recognized as the gem of Rotaract District 3201 in the year 2014. Apart from this, he was recognized as the outstanding district secretary by RSAMDAO, which incorporates all the South Asian countries in the world. Apart from this, he is a multitasker holding a perfect balance of his personal, professional, and Rotaract life for the past 12 years. Right now, he serves as associate at Infosys, and to sum up in a few phrases, Rotaract Vivek is an engineer, a business consultant, an entrepreneur, a Rotaract who radiates positivity by practicing persistence and strongly believe in the fact whatever happens is for good, and wherever you go, you make an impact. With that, I'd like to invite the special invitee, Rotaract Vivek, to address the gathering.
To the Chief Guest of the Day, our beloved District Governor, Rotary Rajshekar Srinivasan, sir. The guest of honor, Mr. K.P. Ramasamy, sir, and the President of the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, Rotary Balasubramanian, sir, fellow Rotarians, already the President and Secretary of Rotary Club of KPRTS, fellow Rotaractors, cabinet colleagues, very good morning. Thank you. And we always say, so being a charter installation, being a charter president is something that doesn't come every other person's way. Because I have been in the club just already 24 years old. So I never had that opportunity. To become a charter president takes a lot of efforts, and a round of applause to Jadavedas and Karunya for taking that initiative. The people remember the first thing, how many years ever we go by. Charter president, whatever you do, so you are privileged enough to be a charter president, and in Rotaract we always say it's a place of opportunities, and your life can be transforming. And whenever we talk about inspiration, we go to people outside, talking about people who we don't have a personal connect with. But a few instances with I'm privileged to share the dais with Mr. K.P. Ramasamy, sir. One is, I don't know whether you remember, sir. It was February 28, 2021 when he came to a Rotaract event at the Prozone Mall, and there was an award given to him, and there was two persons aside, good and அப்போ வந்து KPR sir வராது நமக்கு ஒரு வைப் இருந்துட்டே இருந்தது. And my expectation was தமிழ் படம் எடுத்ததுதான். ஸோ ஒரு பெரிய கார்ல வருவாங்க, பயங்கர ஒரு ஃபுல் சூட்ல தான் இறங்குவாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் image I always had. Like அவங்க கொடுத்த ஓகே இப்படிதான் வருது. அப்போ இது வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா, he just wore a shirt or normal trousers and he walked in. And மேல ஸ்டேஜ் வந்தார், and அப்போ I was not able to believe. கீழே இருக்கும்போது விஷால் கிட்ட கேட்டேன், உண்மையை சொல்லுங்க இதுதான் I have never seen him ever in my life. நான் கேட்டேன், உண்மையை சொல்லி இதுதான் கேபிஆர் சாரா? ஆமா, நான் இப்படிதான் இருப்பாரு. This is how it is. And I was shocked because before the award was presented, ஒரு profile படிச்சாங்க. It's a pages of profile, out of which 70% are only awards and awards. And I was privileged enough, thanks to the president of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, to meet him 3 days before. And upon the same thing happened. I was not able to recognize him. Rahul, a normal person, he was sitting on the corner of all. And he was so welcoming when I went and met him. So I think these are the few things you need not go out for inspiration. A man of inspiration is right in front of you. I feel myself privileged when I said I sat at dais with him. So you will always be an inspiration, sir. I still don't understand how come you can be so simple. Please, sorry, sir. And next up is our very beloved district governor. So from day one, whatever was put forward from the perspective of road track, he was always being there for the organization. And him being here makes this event even more beautiful and colorful. I always say this in road track, because most of the people here, I can see blank eyes and blank faces because you because now I am 10 years before. But things change. Things definitely change. And this is the place, this is the platform where your life can be transformed. Because in India, mistakes are absolutely fine. People say mistake, but yeah, if you go do a mistake at office, enter manager or the effort is going to be either in your appraisal or either in your salary getting credited at the end of the month. But in road track, mistakes are always fine. Try new things because road track is the only place where you can try new things. You can make mistakes, but make sure you are learning out of the mistakes. That's the only thing I would always say. Because being a charter club, don't have too much of complications. You don't have your boundaries restricted because when you start doing it, number of circle put here. We will say, okay, but give your best of efforts and what is the process is your learning. Results is just an outcome. So trust your process. When you start doing all this, I am definitely sure this particular club will be one of the most renowned clubs in Road Track District 320 in the years to come, and you will definitely be making an impact in the society and your family. Thanks for inviting me to this wonderful installation. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we recognize the presence of Rotarians from Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central. All the Rotarians from Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central. We request the Rotary Secretary to take the rise. Previously. We recognize the presence of Rotary Kamlesh Patel sir, from Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central.
I feel privileged to introduce guest of honor, Dr. K.P. Ramaswamy sir. Beyond being a very successful entrepreneur, all through strenuous and enduring efforts, the brilliance of a man is in contributing to the society from what he has earned. KPR is a keen environmentalist and is passionate about sustainable business. He was instrumental in planting more than 1 lakh trees in the village and the units, recycling wastewater at all plants and using it for productive purposes. He also founded KPR Charities, a public trust which through its innumerable work is servicing our society at large. It imparts high quality education through its educational institution, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, which has been ranked at 5th place among the 67 private engineering colleges at Coimbatore, and is also ranked as one of the top 20 institutions in Tamil Nadu as per the survey done by Higher Education Review magazine. KPR has multiple awards to its credit. To quote with a few, Star of India Award from the hands of former Prime Minister of India, Sri Deva Gowda, Best Achiever of Kongu Region Award from Dr. Mahalingam Memorable Trust, Best Entrepreneur Award from Coimbatore Management Association, Best Citizen Coimbatore Award from the Lions Club, Kalingarayar Award from Kongu Charitable Trust, Self-Made Entrepreneur from Ananda Vigadan Group. As an active Rotarian, sponsored several projects for the welfare of the society, like providing basic amenities at villages, dedicating classrooms for schools, donating books to the rural children. I invite you for the address, sir.
Respected Governor Rajshekar sir, my dear friend Subramanian sir, President, Secretary, sir, then Rotaract President, Secretary, and all my students, my dear colleagues of Central Rotary, and then all my dear girls and boys of mill and garment peoples also, faculty members, principal. A very good morning to you all. ரொம்ப அருமையா ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தது. கீர்த்தி சார் நல்லா பேசினாரு, அருமையா பேசினாரு. Rotaract is the best place to learn whatever the faults we are making that can be rectified in this period. President-elect was excellently performed, I think. I never expected our people are doing like this, really great. I appreciate that. Like this, I used to tell all my faculties also and students also, we have Tamil, எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் தெரியும், please. எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் தெரியும், நாம் தமிழர்கள், தமிழில் பேசலாம், தவறில்லை. அதே சமயம், I want to know, all our people have to learn English. In our premises, I requested all the guys, do not talk in Tamil, want to go for always in other languages. Now our recruitment is also nowadays for engineering college also, arts college also, we are recruiting some North Indian peoples, Tamil not knowing peoples. I am welcoming to our premises, because then only even the classes are going on. Some of the Tamil not knowing people sitting in the class means the faculties cannot able to use their mother tongue. So they have to go for English language only. This kind of Rotaracts will support our peoples to eliminate really today's position, what is going on for interview and all, for placement interview. Many of the people, they knows better than what some people are delivering a beautiful way. Some of the people are having the ability, but they could not able to deliver it. Because of their inability of delivering, they are losing their opportunities. This year also, some year, two boys got 5 lakhs salary in this arts and science college also. Engineering college got 2 people got one is 20 lakhs and another one is 18 lakhs, I think. Here also I am expecting engineering and arts, there is no different at all. If you are taking this IAS, IPS, majority of the people, now only the engineering groups are coming up. Previously, you can take all IAS, IPS and some more group 1, group 2 people are from arts and science area only. So don't underestimate and don't underestimate yourself. You can have the capacity, you can go to the sky. So with this, some few words, I request you to develop a lot and lot. Simultaneously, I want you to join the Rotary Club or Rotaractors are joined with our club, and you have to develop yourself also. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
We now recognize the presence of PDR Rotaractor Partnership Vivek Bhaskar, the district advisor from Rotaract district organization. Protractor past person Sanjay Deva, the district advisor. Protractor Aditya Nahata, the district director for district initiatives. Protractor Muskan, the district director for community service. Protractor Monish, the president of Protractor of Kumuru College of Technology. Protractor past president Jay Surya, the district chairman for Protractor Blood Donor Cell. And Protractor Prithvi, the member from Protractor Club of Funds, COVID.
It's with great honor I introduce you the chief guest of today's occasion. Today, Rajshekhar Srinivasan is a mechanical engineer from the prestigious PhD College of Technology, Coimbatore, from where he graduated with distinction in the year 1984. He is a licensed electrical consultant and runs a family business, Tandem Enterprises, which is a concern with testing, services, and maintenance of power transformers and high voltage switchgear. Rotary Rajshekhar joined Rotary as a member of the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown in the year 2001 and has ever since continued to occupy key positions in Rotary at both club and district levels. He was a secretary of this very prestigious club during the year 2004 and 2005, and later served to be the club president in the year 2009 to 10. At the district level, Rotary Rajshekhar was the district secretary during the year 2005-06, and the governors group representative in the year 2010-11, the district director in the year 2014-15, the chairman of Assistant Governors Training Seminar in the year 2015, and later he went out to be the district governor in the year 2020, 21, 2022. Rajshekhar sir is happily married to First Lady Shanti, who is a past president of the Inner Wheel Club of Coimbatore, which is the fourth major level of donors and which is benefactors of Rotary Foundation. With that, I am very happy to introduce you the chief guest of today's occasion, Rotary Rajshekhar sir, to address the gathering.
Thank you, sir, for that nice introduction. President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, Rotary Subramaniam, newly installed President of Rotary Club of KPR Gas, Rotary Jata Vedas, guest of honor, Dr. KP Ramsamy sir, special invitee, Rotary Kirti Vivek, District Director, Rotarian Kumaresan, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Balakrishnan and Rotarian Vishnu Kumar, members of the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, newly installed Rotractors, newly inducted Rotractors and newly installed office bearers of the new Rotary Club, invited guests, friends, staff members. Very good morning to all. Can I have another good morning from you?
Good morning.
Yes. And happy Onam to you all. Onam is just around the corner. Let me all wish you a happy Onam also. Friends, I think a lot of you are coming for a physical meeting for a long time. I would say even for the college. COVID has taken a real toll on us. We have been at home. I think there are second year students here. This may be the first time you are entering the college physically. All of it was online. You must thank Rotary for bringing you here and make use of this opportunity to make friends. Friends, let me at the outset congratulate Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central for starting a Rotary Club in this prestigious institution. I should also thank Rotarian Dr. KPR for having inspired us, Rotarians, to start the Rotary Club in this prestigious institution. Let me also congratulate the newly installed Rotary President, Jata Vedas, and his team of office bearers. All the very best. Friends, our president, Dr. Subramaniam, told you about Rotary. Rotary was an institution which was started 160 years back. And service is a motto. In fact, we say service of ourselves is the motto of Rotarians. And as you can see, the theme for the year is serve to change lives. That is the thing. And for Rotaractors, make an impact. You make an impact through service. The more common with the service. So service is the key to Rotaract and Rotary also. What does Rotary give to the world? Rotary, what is Rotary's biggest contribution to the world? It is polio eradication. But there is even a bigger contribution of Rotary to the world. It is leadership. You know, all Rotarians are leaders in their own profession, are outstanding people. If you see, there are around 10 Rotarians here. All of them are leaders in that particular profession. One is a newspaper media person, one is an insurance person, one has a theater. He is also another media person is there, and one has a big industry and Kalyana Mandapam. And of course, you have a very good inspiration as pointed out by Diana, one KPR sir. They are all self-made people. Most of them here are self-made people. And leadership is one thing which Rotary has done. And again, why do we encourage Rotary clubs to form? We form Rotary clubs. We want to encourage youth also to take up leadership position. Why? Because we want the next level of leadership. And India has the average age, youth average age 27 now. And there is a demographic dividend which is to be optimally used. No other country in the world has such a demographic dividend. We are all young India. India is so young. And we need to channelize our youth in the right direction. For this dividend to yield results, for this dividend to make our country into a superpower, we need this dividend, that is the youth, have to be guided properly. You have to be taken, you have to go in the right direction. Otherwise, this will lead to disaster. The same demographic dividend can lead to disaster. That is one reason why we encourage you all to take up leadership positions in Rotaract also. And as rightly pointed out by our chairman, you need to make mistakes to learn. And Rotaract is a great platform for you to learn. Communication skills is the most important thing for a leader. He also pointed out rightly that all of you may have ideas. But don't mind to make an impact on the okay. நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் என்னடா நம்ம சொல்லிருக்கலாமே நம்ம போனப்புறம் எல்லாரும் போனப்புறம் நினைப்போம் இது நம்ம சொல்லியிருந்திருக்கலாமே அப்படின்னு நினைப்போம். Lot of us have this potential, have the thought process எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு, but you don't have the communication skills. அதை develop பண்றது is a great opportunity. Rotaract is a great opportunity. All the Rotaractors who have joined today, make sure that whenever you get an idea, எங்க போனாலும் just take a paper when the meeting is going on, or when symposium or anything is going on, take notes. And if they ask, the professor or someone asks you, doubt let him confirm what you think. Make sure, even in classrooms, what we do, but doubt, we won't be able to ask that doubt. That is because we don't have the confidence enough that we have the communication skills. Everyone does have the communication skills. You have the language. English, broken English cannot say. What is important is to communicate what you are thinking. Please do use this opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Rotaract is a great opportunity to make mistakes, to learn. And again, Rotaract also will have certain programs called Rotary Youth Leadership Awards. They will conduct some programs. Make sure all Rotaractors do attend that, because it will give you the soft skills. They teach you some soft skills. Additionally, you also make new connections to meet people from other Rotaract clubs also. So make use of these opportunities, and I am sure your president and DRR will make sure that you have some orientation. That is going to be done, right? Some orientation. Please do make sure you all attend that. The orientation, Mr. Panari, please do attend that. And friends, once again, I tell you, whatever you in life, in anything, in business, in education, in your studies, everything, whatever you put in, the more effort you put in, the more you get out of it. So you involve yourself more in Rotaract after your studies. First is your studies. Make sure that you study well. You put all your effort into studies, and you will also need a break. Please take that break, and during that time, whatever time you have, don't spend on mobile and unnecessary chat. please invest that time in Rotary. You will reap rich rewards. So make sure that you make good use of this opportunity. And friends, let me conclude with the words of Vivekananda, his message to the youth. He says, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are big. Do not believe that you are a half crazy lunatics, as most of us do nowadays. You can do anything and everything without even the guidance. Friends, this was said more than 100 years back, but even today it rings true. So please believe in yourself. Believe, self-belief, the best instrument that you have is the best investment that you can have is to have. And let me, in these few words, wish you all the very best, and may you have great success in life. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address. Next, I would like to call upon Protractor Vishal Group Rotaract Representative G3 to felicitate the gathering.
A warm good morning to all present here. The respected the Chief Guest of the DDC Governor, Dr. Rajshekar sir, our guest of honor Chairman, sir of this inspired institution, Dr. KPR sir, our special invited, DRR Rotaract Department Vivek, the President and Secretary of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, and all the district Rotary officials and Rotaract officials, and my dear students, a very warm good morning to all present here. I feel proud to be part of this installation ceremony. Yesterday also I was here in the auditorium and I was planning like since the first time how we are going to take the things. But I'm really proud the way in which the students of KPR CAS have performed this installation. A great round of applause for all the students out here. I'm telling you about our Rotary. We have got such a supporting Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, and having KPR sir as the management of this prestigious college, we definitely believe this Rotaract Club will be one of the prideful institutions, one of the prideful Rotaract clubs in our district. And I'm very happy to be a club member for this Rotaract Club of KPR CAS. So I am the group Rotaract representative from Group 3, and every other installation where we go, we present a small goodie. It's made of recycled natural material. It's like a good luck charm to all the president secretary of this Rotaract Club of KPR CAS. I request the president and secretary starting with us in Coronate to receive it. I'm saving my words for the farewell of this current year, and I'm so happy to be part of this. Wishing you all the great luck, and as our DRR says, let's all together make an impact.
It's time for the memento distribution. I request Dr. KP Ramaswamy sir to District Governor to hand over the pleasantry.
Next up, I call upon Rotary Subramaniam sir, the President, to hand over a token of love to Dr. KP Ram sir. Once again, I invite President Rotary Subramaniam sir to hand over the memento to the Principal, Dr. Balaswamy sir. Once again, I invite President Rotary Subramaniam sir to hand over the memento to all assistant governors present. Now invite Principal Dr. Balaswamy sir to hand over a token of love to President Rotary Subramaniam sir and Secretary Rotary Piyush Patel. sir. Now, I invite the Charter President, Dr. Jatavedas, to hand over a token of love to the DRR Dr. Activity.
Gratitude is a fairest blossom which springs out from the soul. I now invite
Secretary Dr. Pirish Patwardhan to propose the vote of thanks.
Warm greetings to all the distinguished guests on and off the dais. Takes immense pleasure to be a part of it because for me it's first inspiration for any doctorate, and it's a good experience to be with students again and feeling a bit younger. We feel younger when we are with Dr. KPR because there is no aging, but probably reversing aging. So it's yeah, he rightly mentioned that we have to ask him again and again, how can a person be so simple? First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest of the day, our district governor, Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan sir, Dr. K.P. Ramaswamy sir, chairman of KPR Group, special invitee Dr. K.P. Vivek, and this half of it, but I would like to see the complete speech of this. Principal Dr. Balasamy sir, District Director Rotarian Commemoration sir, Assistant Governor Balakrishnan sir, all the Rotarians from other clubs and our own club, Rotary Center, and all other district officials whom I missed with the name, for the valuable support and coming here on busy Monday morning. I would like to thank all the students of KPR CAS for their support who are here, among teachers, professors of the college, and students who are Rotarians, or probably next year when we start again somewhere, you will be a part of it, or you join KPR CAS soon. My special thank to all stalwarts I see the first time from our own Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central, who could make it again on Monday morning, because for students alone, they all are really very busy people otherwise on this Monday morning. And they came here to show love and respect for all you new Rotaract, just to push you to do something really great in your upcoming life. So use and utilize this opportunity of being Rotaract and do something good for society, as our district governor always emphasizes. Rotary Coimbatore Central will always will give 100% support to the Rotary Club of KPR CAS. And with this, I thank all of you who are here and who are on the back stage, who are watching probably on the Zoom today, for their support who could not make physically here. Thank you everyone, and good luck to all the new Rotaracts, and have a great year ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I now request the Rotary President, Rotarian Subramanian sir, to adjourn the meeting. Thank you all for being part of this charter installation ceremony. Your presence will be cherished for a life.
Rotary.